everyone, this is Kathleen with Windy Chaos, and I'm here today to show you a new pinwheel kit. So pinwheels are the smallest kits in the shop. We have 3 sizes, and I say we figuratively because it's just me. So we have pinwheels, which are basically just clip art or just patterns. They're the lowest price point. And then we have We Whisper kits, which have a lot of clip art, a few labels, and patterns. And then we have Whirligig kits that have kind of everything, washi and junk journals and Dutch doors, and they're the highest price point, and they're the fewest in number just because of the amount of effort they take to get out. So they'll only be a couple times a year that you'll see those really mega kits come out. I released one yesterday that was about snowmen, and then there'll probably just be one they'll be kind of more I'm thinking they'll be more like just seasonal. So that one's the winter kit. There'll be a spring, there'll be a summer, and then there'll be a fall and probably a Christmas, because Christmas is just its own season by itself. And I'm sorry, my cold that I was talking about yesterday, it's still here, and it wants to be a whole full-on cough, and it's just been kind of miserable. So anyway, let's talk about this one. This is my version of a New Year's kit. It is called Snuggle into 2026, and it's just kind of for those of us who have no plans to go out and party, no joy in the frigid temperatures, icy roads, and all of that. Give me my sweatpants and streaming, and I will just be super happy. And so this is just, and I'm also one who just dives into making lots and lots of goals and lists and all of that, and I kind of stress myself out with all the resolutions and stuff. So I thought this was a really fun idea of, take it slow, go lightly on yourself, make a few little changes here and there, but don't overwhelm yourself with big life changes right at the front. Work slowly towards your goals, and don't add stress to your life. Just add good things. So this one is all about that. And so we've got 63 stickers on these 2 sheets. And so you got all these cute little blankets, one in a basket, one just as a stack. We've got books, January 1, Peaceful Beginnings, lots of little snuggy things like tea and croissant and cinnamon rolls. Cheers to calm. I love these little bunny slippers. I think they're so cute. And this little bunting of 2026 in knitted numbers. We got oatmeal and soup. Oh, soup sounds so good right now. Hot chocolate, tea with cookies or tea and lemon, toast, a snuggy bed with a book. I did 2 versions of the couch. Oh, sorry, this looks a little odd here. Let me raise that up. Okay, so the one couch has a laptop on it and the other one doesn't. And then we've got this mirror, a couple lamps and tables, a little desktop, a chair, this cute TV set with the ball coming down, watching the Times Square on television. And then this cozy fireplace, and this pretty little bird cage. I just thought that was kind of a nice touch. And then we've got a gratitude jar, journaling with a mug, and cold outside with a mug. You don't need to bloom fast. Rest is productive. A little January journal, and then some pretty little house plants, some hanging, some flat, new habits with the little seedling coming up, a present to yourself, pretty little window nook for reading, and these cute little pets. And these look so cute on the window seat or the chair or the couch. They're just darling. And the puppy, I put him snuggling next to a fire in one scene, I think when I did the listing picture. Oh, and I forgot, there's a snuggy little sweater too. And then we have just these pretty wintry windows, one with the fireworks and the other with just the setting sun. And then we've got these little word bits, which I'm just coming to love these so much. They're so nice to just pop in. And I'm not going to read them all because I'll just end up coughing on you. And that's just no fun, but it's really about, slow down. Don't stress yourself out. Have a nice, soft opening to the year. So that's the clip art. Now, you can buy this on its own, or you can decide to also buy the matching patterns. There are 9 patterns and 9 textures. Come on, zoom notes. There we go. And so, oops, sorry. We have celestial, and we have some plants, and we have this cute little teacup. And then these are little clocks, which are so darling. And these hearts, and just a pretty little watercolor wash. We've got a plaid, and this looks like a cable knit with all the pretty colors that are in the kit, and then a little floral. And then you've got the same thing then in the textures where there's no background to it, and all the colors been stripped out, so you can just use these as just a very subtle design element. And there you go. So let me show you how I did these guys up in mock-ups. When I do a mock-up and I don't have labels and stuff, I will sometimes just make little squares or little rectangles and just fill them with some of the colors that are in that color palette. So this one, and I didn't bother with cropping the edges, so just disregard that. But you can certainly do that when you're making your own. So there's a cute little puppy. You don't have to bloom fast. But the fun part about this kit too is it really works all the time. I mean, the plant thing is very popular and lovely to put in just anywhere you want. And these guys there's like 4 of them. Oh, did I lock that down? No. Sorry, my Zoom Notes is being a little laggy right now. I must have locked it down. But you could crop things out if you just wanted a certain one, if you liked it that way. This guy, he's separate. He's a standalone, and it's the same way with these guys. They're a grouping, but you can crop or use the transparency tool in Zoom Notes if that's what you use to just kind of color out the other ones and just keep the one that you want. So there we go. That's a real simple one. This one's in rings, and I used the pattern paper here. I did the little clocks as a background, just made a little snuggle, and look how cute this kitty looks on the couch. Just darling. And then I did the little snuggle, the little bed right there. It's just really cute. And then that kind of frosty morning scene of January. So, okay, and then we have the portrait. And this one I used I just made a little strip with the, and filled it with the teacup pattern. Used this pretty window nook. Just made a couple of labels at top, just filling some rectangles with color. And then put the cute little puppy dog there, so cute. But then added the little table with the tea set and the candle. And it just makes you want to sit and read, doesn't it? Especially today. It's so gray here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I hope you like it. everything's on sale right now, depending on when you're watching this, but I do have the whole shop on sale through through Thanksgiving and into the next week, so throughout Cyber Week. So it's a nice long sale. When it gets back in December, I'm gonna probably be doing a lot of changing up of stuff, and probably won't see a new kit for a couple of weeks, just because I need to kind of get everything ready for the new year. And also it's Thanksgiving and the holidays and stuff, so it might be just a little bit of time before you see the next new one come out. But I'm excited for 2026, guys. I think it's going to be a wonderful time. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next